Welcome back to Living Pacific Northwest, guys. I'm going to be doing something a little bit different today, guys. I'm going to be making kind of like a coat rack or pants rack, clothing rack out of piping right here. It's going to be a quick, easy little build. I have this piping that I just picked up. Then I got I believe that's a 10-foot pipe right there. I'll give you guys exact measurements, but you guys can pretty much do this to any size you want to. I just got 4 basic end caps, some T's, and some 90s. All of this right here cost about 60 bucks. These were, I believe, $11 a pop, like $1.50, $1.50, $1.50, $1.50. That was 18. They had pre-cut and pre-threaded piping, but I'm probably just going to weld some of mine when I cut that up and weld it. But these are basically going to be the basic stand right here, and then I'm going to go arm right here, down, and arm right here, and then the feet. It's going to be a very basic, easy build. So this piping right here is 4 foot. I'm going to have it 4 foot tall, 4 foot, I believe 18 inches wide. I haven't decided on the feet yet, but I'm probably going to do a few inches. I don't want to stub my toes in the bedroom with this. So let's get started. Alright, so I decided I'm going to have my feet be 1 foot total, so I'm going to mark 6 inches right there. So I can put my T right there, a 3-way. Now you guys don't have to cut anything if you don't want to. They make this piping in these exact measurements that I'm cutting. It's just a little bit cheaper for me to buy this entire pipe right here. Plus I have a welder, so I'm able to just tack weld these in if I want to. Whereas if you want to make it collapsible, these are threaded along with the ends right here. So that's what I would recommend you guys to do, but you guys don't have to. You can do it the way I'm doing it. Do it any way you want. You can even buy some thread locks or metal cement that will cement the pipes together. Alright guys, I got my safety goggles. Alright, so now I have my legs right here. I just gotta weld that on there and it'll be good. But as I said before, if you don't have a welder, you can buy the ones that are threaded, and they should just thread right in. And there you go. Alright, so next I'm gonna cut my 18 inches for my center cross beam. 17, 18 inches right there. Gonna go ahead and cut. Like I said, again, you can buy the threaded ones. They had 18 inches. I just didn't want to spend the extra $5 to grab them. They were $6 a piece for the 18-inch beams with the threads on them. Alright, so now I'm going to cut this into 2-foot sections. This is my 4-foot side. I'm going to cut it into 2 foot so I can put the T right here and then have one of these branch out and then connect the other one to the other side. So now I got my 4 2-foot sections. I'm gonna go ahead and put my union on them. All right, so now that I got all my metal cut to the desired lengths, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this thing together. All right, so now that I have my T's in, I'm gonna go ahead and weld my middle section and then screw in my top section up here. And then I'll go ahead and put my feet on and then you'll be all done. All right, so now I got my top connected right here. I'm gonna go ahead and connect my bottom, or excuse me, my middle right there. And then I'm going to wire brush my welds and then I'm gonna spray paint this. So you guys want to deal with the welding, you'll just be able to screw yours in and then spray paint it. I would recommend maybe lightly sanding it, but if you want the metal look, you can go for the metal look. I think it looks really nice, but this is black. And this, plus the, where is it? There's, I don't know if you can see it, there's a bunch of writing on the top and all around this metal piping that I don't really want. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint it all just flat black. All right, so I got my cross beam in there. Went ahead and rounded all my welds. So next thing, I'm gonna spray paint this entire thing, put on my end caps at the bottom, and then you should be all done. All right guys, so I went ahead and spray painted it with primer and paint mixture. Looks pretty glossy right now. Hopefully it will turn to like more of a matte black or a flat black. But that's basically it. I'll probably let it dry and put another coat on it. Since it is tubing, it's kind of hard to get all surfaces on it. But that's it for today, guys. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know. Let me know what type of video you guys want to watch. This channel is kind of just me projects. If I want to do a project, I'll kind of record it and show you guys how I do it. I didn't go too in depth with the welding. Didn't want this to be a welding video. I kind of just wanted to show you how I was going to make my little clothing rack here. I'll show you guys later in a video what it looks like in my house maybe. If you'd be interested in that, let me know. Leave me a comment below. But that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching and have a good night.